Wanna know how to transform into a Titan and use the Titan Serum and dominate the battlefield? Here's how to use it. So it's super simple in PUBG Mobile, so let's get right into it. Now first up, make sure you are under Steampunk Frontier mode. So for that, just simply select this map icon right here. So make sure you are on the main menu as well. And once you've selected the map icon, just simply head towards this Steampunk Frontier or change towards this Steampunk Frontier mode right here. And once you've done that, just simply select start. And once you've entered the Steampunk Frontier mode that is available on Erangel, Livik or other maps, search for Titan Serum in loot crates, wooden boxes or treasure chests scattered across map. Once you acquire the Titan Serum, open your inventory and tap Use to transform into a Titan. This grants you increased health and mobility. As a Titan, you have 3 powerful attacks. Melee attack, effective against enemies at higher elevations or other Titans. Heavy strike, unleashes a shockwave dealing damage on a straight line. Jump slam, leap into the air and smash down, causing area damage and knocking back enemies. For an even more formidable transformation, seek out the rare attack Titan Serum, typically found in gold Ethercore containers. This turns you into the Attack Titan, offering extended duration and enhanced resilience. Coordinate with your team to maximize the Titan's abilities. Remember, Titans can't stomp enemies directly beneath them, so use your attacks strategically. So that's it, master the Titan Serum and lead your squad to victory. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.